Hey guys, what is going on? Welcome back to the channel. Today I want to show you guys how I can make a good profit um, reselling from Costco. So basically buy from Costco and resell it on Amazon. And yeah, I'll show you all the procedure, and by the end of the video I will show you the profit margin, the product, and all the things related like that. So make sure to stick till the end. Also, I will appreciate the early thumbs up so you can help the video. And yeah, let's hit into. Okay guys, I'm here at Costco, and yeah, now I'll go in to find the chicken with the golden eggs, if it can say so. I've been into another one, and they tell me that this product is in this one. So I call them, they say me they have 5 available. Now we're going to take it. The problem is this warehouses is the only one that it's a queue. It's a queue on the entry. It's the only one. I don't know why, but yeah, we'll see you inside. Okay, they didn't have an actually, they have it in stock, but they don't have it to the public. So I'm back here at the, what did it say, receiving. They basically here receive their orders, but I'm collecting it to, they bring it back here straight away. So if you go in the warehouse, you're not gonna find it. You have to actually ask for it, and they will give you here. Now I'm waiting for the guy to come with my stuff. Also beautiful day today. It's Easter bank holiday here in UK. So actually it's not Easter. It's a bank holiday. Basically it's a weekend, and Monday will be bank holiday for me. So 3 days of rest. And look what I do. I don't rest at all. I'm working. But anyway, see how things is going. As you can see, they're fitting perfectly. 4 units, perfect. By the way, if you want to afford a supercar like this, buy my course, link in the description. Yeah, just joking, I don't have any course for sale, but I would like to know, because some guys contacting me on Facebook, on Instagram, asking me if I have a course, if I can do mentorship, and I don't do any of those things. But if someone thinks I should do one of this, let me know in the comments below. Maybe I can create one course to see how it's going. Anyway, fitting perfectly. The van is full. What else? Yeah, if you want to buy this to arbitrage them on Amazon, you're not gonna find any anymore, because I booked them all, and in the other warehouse there is none to be left. Anyway, now I'm going to store it at home, and we see from there. So okay guys, I'm finally finished for today. As I promised, I will show you the product, and you already know the product, you see it, and I will show you how it looks like on the Amazon, and what profit margin do I make on this product. So I'm here. Let's go to inventory. Okay, so technically this one, actually I have 3 listed, 3 listing of this product because yeah, why not? I pour more traffic, so I have more chance of selling it. So normally the price that I'm aiming to do, it's this one, $4.99, like 500 pounds, and I pay like 166 on Costco. So the price sounds very good, like the profit. And as you can see, this is the fee that Amazon charged me, and there will be this, the kind of the, I don't know why it's not loading now, taxes. They will always charging you. Let me see on this next one. Yeah, anyway, will be some other percentage that I think on the end I will pay like 90 pounds in fee. Let me see if I actually have some of them sold here, so I can see exactly the fee that I pay here. View transaction, and okay, do you see it's rustic $4.99. So after the entire fee of the Amazon, I will get left, do you see here, taxes 15. So yeah, after the fees I will be left with 408 pounds, and I'll pay like another 50 pounds or so for shipping, so will be, let's say, 350. So I'll round up the sum, and 166 is the product, so I'll be left with like 140, which is almost 100% profit. It's not, it's like 90% profit, but it's very good. Why not 90% profit? It's these are dream profits. It's you're not gonna find too many products that you can make like almost 100% profit on your money. One tactic that I like to use, it's basically, on this product I have to be fair, I knew it that selling because I was selling last year. I will have another video when I was sourcing that. If you want to see it, will be first link in the description. And I was already knowing it's selling, and you can sell it for these high prices, so that's why I bought them all to outrank the competition, basically, because there's other guys that know about that, and basically who is faster to buy it, they'll have the edge up on the other guys. So basically I trying to buy them all from all the warehouses. Now it's none of them left. Few of the guys, you'll see they have some products, they try to sell it a little bit cheaper to compete, but I don't mind. I wait for them to sell, and then I'll sell my one for very expensive price. This is one of my strategy. Yeah, I hopefully, if you stay so long, I hopefully you enjoy the video. I'll try to post more often because lately I didn't got time at all to post. So if you enjoy those type of videos, feel free to subscribe, so, and also hit the bell so you'll be notified by YouTube when I launching a new video. We do pretty much on this channel Amazon, and I like also to invest. I'll try to do some investing video for you guys. This is one of my strategy. So I'll wrap it up here. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next time. Bye bye.